Hello art lovers, welcome back to another art video. I am Japneet and you're watching White Peacock Arts. So today we'll be painting two greetings, one with acrylics and the another one with watercolors. I'm starting with acrylic Diwali greeting and we'll be painting some sky lanterns. So here I'm drawing some sky lanterns. I'll be starting with the cadmium red and I'll be moving slowly towards the bottom, and at the bottom I'll have cadmium yellow, and in the middle we'll have a mixture of cadmium red and cadmium yellow. Sky lanterns are very easy to draw. You can see here, when we observe sky lanterns in the sky at the night, we usually see that they are lit up at the bottom and it has a dark shadow at the top. Here I am using burnt sienna to give the shadows, and we'll make similar sky lanterns of different sizes on the sheet. I'm using the same technique as I did before. We'll be creating a sky full of sky lanterns. I wanted to start with the sky lanterns first, and then I'll be moving to the background, as I thought this would be easier for me. I'm creating sky lanterns of different sizes, but the technique of painting is the same. We have random placements and random sizes. I have a main sky lantern at the side. As you can see, it's a bigger one and it has all the details. And for the smaller sky lantern, you can just go for a abstract shape, but you need to be careful with the colors. You have to go for a darker tone at the top and it should be lit up at the bottom. Here I am using titanium white just for the highlight at the base where we are going to create a flame. I am using titanium white and just on the edge I am lining it up with the white color as the highlight. We are going to do the same with other sky lanterns that we have. And now we can start with our background, and for the background I have ultramarine blue and mixed with some black and Prussian blue. As I come down, I have also used cobalt blue. This is just the base layer. I'll be going over it again to get the final look. You just have to be careful with the sky lanterns that you have painted. You can also do it the other way around, that you can create the background first, and then you can paint the sky lanterns over it, but for me this was good enough. Now I'm using Persian blue over it. Now you can see we have a smoother finish. I have mixed Persian blue with titanium white, used little bit of titanium white, and I've started with the bottom, and as we go at the top we have a darker tone. As our background is ready, you can see I am placing some dots that depict some more sky lanterns in the sky that are far away. We are going to cover it with the dots, and we have the cover of our card ready. I'll be cutting the edges and I'll be pasting this painting over the card I had already made. And our greeting is ready. You can create greetings of any size like this, and we are starting with the second greeting. We are going to paint a diya or a small oil lamp, and I'll be using colorful splash around this diya. First of all, I am wetting the surface with water. As this is a watercolor painting, we'll be using more water. And as our surface is wet, I have started placing my color, and I am using Crimson Lake. And I also have Vermilion Hue. You can see I am just putting the color around Diya. You can see the color is not entering my subject area, as my subject is dry. Only the area around it is wet, so the color will spread on its own in the outer area only. And I am adding more color to the splash. Now I have chrome yellow. You can create your colorful splash of any colors, but here I am using these vibrant colors. Make sure the area is wet all through your splash. And you also have to keep in mind that you don't get the harsh lines at the edges, so you need to smoothen it up with your wet brush. I have created a darker color with cobalt blue and some vermilion hue. I had let this first layer dry, and now I am starting with my subject, and I am using a purple tone that I've got by mixing cobalt blue and vermilion hue. I'll be using a darker tone at the edges, and we'll have a lighter tone in the middle. You can also add some black color to it. Now I am painting the flame. I have started with the chrome yellow at the base, and I have some vermilion hue on the edges. And I am going to give a next layer to my background. I'll be using the same technique, and I'll be creating some more splashes in the background. After drying, the paint becomes lighter, so in watercolors you have to work in layers to get the desired color effect. So I'll be repeating the process. I'm using the same colors. I'm just keeping in mind that my edges have to be smoother and they should not form a harsh line. Just wait for the end result. And we are almost done with it. I'm just using my wet brush to get the smoother edges. And if you liked my greetings, you can hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed before. And my painting is dried. I'm giving some highlights with white color, and I have also used calligraphy, Happy Diwali, and you can write this Happy Diwali in your own calligraphy style. I'll cut the edges, and I'm preparing a base for it to stick onto. I had this decorative sheet, golden decorative sheet, so I'll be pasting this small oil lamp over that sheet. I'll have that golden margin around it. Just wait for the end. Here we have our 2 Diwali greetings. You can create your own Diwali cards and give it to your loved ones. A very happy Diwali to all of you. I would like to know your views on this painting in the comments below. And I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.